On this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use DAP Kwik Seal to seal your crevices to keep insects and ants out of your kitchen. This product is available in different colors and sizes, and it's super easy to use. It dries quickly and it's paintable. Stay tuned for the whole video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kwik Seal Ultra. This comes in different colors. This is also a much smaller milliliter, so that if you have a small job, this is definitely for you. Easy water cleanup, as you can see, 4-hour water ready, safe for granite and marble. Now, we have ants. Unfortunately, it's the ant season. So what we're trying to do is we figured out where they're coming in, and so we're just going to seal this. So right there's ants coming and hiding. So we're going to seal this whole thing up right over here, and right over here, and right over here. We're going to go in here as well. Now, if you look closely, you're going to notice there are these lines here, and this is where you want to kind of cut it. And you want to cut it on a 45-degree angle. So when you press this, it's going to be nice and easy for you to do it. And then you're going to wet your pinky, and then you're just going to go and press that in. And then that's it. No one's going to see any imperfections. And again, that's only because it's clear and transparent. Okay, so we just cut the tip, and you can see there's a hole there. Now we just press, and you can see it coming to the surface. Now you will know that it is not transparent when you get it out, but it will get transparent. All right, so now we're going to go and apply it. So first, we're going to go this, because this is where they're all coming out. All we do is we get this out, and then just run it across. And if you have a big gap, don't worry about it. Get it all in. If you messed up, you can use some water, get it off. Otherwise, in 4 hours, you can splash water on this, and it's not going to come off. We applied some up here as well, and again, you want to wet your finger before you do this, because otherwise it's going to really quickly dry off. And you can see right now that it's white, but we're going to wait a couple minutes and it's going to dry clear. We've applied it right over here, and we've also added it right underneath right here. So every little crevice we've applied in our kitchen just to combat these ants. So we're about 2 hours later, and you guys can see that all of that has disappeared, but you guys can see there's a very fine shadow that is defining where the silicone is, and it's on all of these sides. And I already saw that ants have no idea where to go. So I want to show you guys, here's an ant. I found an ant, I placed it on the counter, and it's really trying to find a way to go underneath somewhere. And you can see it just can't find a place because it's sealed up. So there you go, proof in the pudding, it works. So that's how easy it is to apply this. I definitely recommend this. This will seal drafts. It's not going to be super thick. You could probably get away with doing a 1/4 inch gap filling, but besides that, you probably want to go and get proper caulking silicone like that. And anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.